Hello, my friends. Lorrie here. Welcome to my world. I'm super glad that you are here to come and visit me today. It is another Techy Tuesday, and today we're going to cover how to upload a video to YouTube. So we're into OBS today again, and we are going to upload a video to my YouTube channel. So I am on my own YouTube channel on my dashboard, but you can do this from any YouTube page. So if I pop open another YouTube page, if it doesn't take forever in a day, I can still make it from here. So you can see here I have this little create button. If I go to this other window, I have this little create button up in the top right. That's how I'm going to upload my video. So create, upload video. And it's going to bring up this box where I am going to select my file. Now I've already made my movie file and I've already saved it on my computer. So I'm going to go and search through my folders to find it. This is the one I'm going to put up. It's actually another Techy Tuesday. It'll be for next week. But yeah, so that's all you do is you select your video, which then brings up this screen, which is your uploading screen. So down at the bottom here, you can see that it's uploading. These are some things that I already have already made up for. I mean, it's already into my description. There is a spot under your settings where you can set this up. We'll do that another day. We're not going to do that today, but we're just waiting for this video to upload. So while you're at it, you can see here that it did take the name of the video and create that right into the title. So I don't have to add a title. I don't have to change the title. But if you didn't do that when you recorded your video, this is how you will change that. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy my title. I'm going to come down here into my description, hit enter a couple times to move my lines down. And I'm just going to hit Control V to paste. Okay. Now I haven't created my thumbnail yet, but I will do that in a minute and show you how to do that. So you can see here, we're still checking. We've got about 10 minutes left. So I'm going to pause for a minute. I'm going to pop over and make my cover, and then we'll continue. You can see now that my checks have been completed. No issues have been found, which is a nice thing to see. Sometimes you'll get copyright issues. That's the only issue I've ever had. Sometimes I don't know what other kind of issues you can get, but apparently you can get other issues. So we have our video uploaded. You can see that it generated its own thumbnail. That's not the thumbnail that I want to use. Now you can use that thumbnail. You can go and make your own. I do have some lessons on Photopea in my Techy Tuesdays that you can go back and look and see how to use Photopea and how to do some stuff in that. Anyway, I've already created my thumbnail now. So, oops, I don't want to create one. Sorry, I just am going to upload one. Where is it? It's not in this drive. It's in this drive. Techy Tuesday, OBS, record a screen. So there you can see is my cover. Now I'm going to select a couple of playlists. The Watch My World Grow is my playlist that has everything in it. And then, of course, my Techy Tuesday playlist. Click Done. No, my video is not made for kids. No, I don't have any paid promotions. No, I don't have any altered content. You can add automatic chapters, feature places, automatic concepts, and tags. Now, if you're not seeing this stuff down here, quite often it will end there, and you'll be very confused as to why I don't have more options. Well, you just have to click this Show More button, and it shows you some more of the options that you have, including your tags. I'm just going to pop Control V to put my thing in, and then I'm going to add a few more tags. Techy Tuesday, OBS, how to. You can add whatever you want in there. You can see you have a total of 500 characters that you can use. Oh, look, I could have a few here that are, so we'll do that. OBS Studio, how to record a screen, just to throw a few more up there. You can put all of this stuff in if you want to. I never bother. My language is English. I have a standard YouTube license. I don't care if somebody wants to remix. I have my category. Comments are on. Sort by, basic moderation, and you can also choose whether to show how many viewers like your video. So I like to leave that up there because I like to know at a glance how many people like my video. So anyway, we're going to come down here and click next. Now, if you're monetized, this is the screen that you'll have, and you can turn your monetization on or off. Go ahead and turn mine on. Now, because it's longer than 8 minutes, they want to show mid-rolls, mid-ads, ads during the mid-roll. So I prefer to manage the ad slots because they like to put in a lot more advertising than I like them to have in my video. Why is it taking so long? I don't want it to automatically add slots, but that's what it's doing. Okay, so I'm going to unclick that, and I'm just going to insert one ad. Insert ad slot. 4 minutes. There we go. And that's the only one I'm going to put in there. And I'm going to hit continue. So then I'll come to next. And whether you're monetized or not, you're going to come to this suitability screen. And this is where you're going to tell it if you've got any controversial content or adult language or any of that kind of stuff. And depending on, like if I had inappropriate language in it, I could do like occasionally I have some little profanity in it because my husband talks like a sailor. So then I will use this abbreviated, but you can just go through these and see if your content uses any of those things. Generally with my videos, I can just go here to none of the above and hit submit rating and move on to the next screen. So here are the video elements, and here's where we're going to add our end screen and our cards. So you can use subtitles and you can tag products if you have products in your video. I don't, so I'm not going to. I'm going to add an end screen. I have this one here that's already set up to fit my outro screen. But you can use any end screen that you want. And you can see here I have best video for viewer and my most recent upload and my button to click on. To add elements, you just come up here to the add element. Now I'm not going to add any more elements because I've got enough elements on there already, I think. But if you don't have what you want on there, you would just click this add element. And you can add a video, a playlist, a channel, or a link. You can see subscribe is blacked out. That's because I already have the subscribe element on my screen. So I'll just leave that. I'm going to hit save. And we're back to this video element screen. Now here's where you add your cards. Your cards are those little, those little things when you're watching a video, it'll pop up in the top right corner and it'll show a link to other videos or something. Those are called cards, and you can add them wherever you want. Now I know from when I made this video that at about 5 minutes and 30 seconds, I mention a video that I did before on Techy Tuesday about OBS. So I'm going to go ahead and put a link to that video. I'm going to have to search because it was done quite a while ago. Why aren't you? OBS. There we go. So, Techy Tuesday OBS for beginners. There you go. We're just going to leave that there. And then at the end, I usually like to throw in a playlist. So I'm going to add another card. I'm going to add a playlist. And I'll go ahead and add my Techy Tuesday playlist to here because it's a Techy Tuesday video. And then I'm going to hit save. And we're off to the next and final screen. Oh, no, this is just a little one. Sorry. This is your check screen. There's nothing that you can do on it. It'll just tell you whether you're all good to go. So you can see I have no copyright issues found, and I'm suitable for ads based on my rating. I'm going to hit next. And here we are on the final screen. Now, my video is going to be public, but it is not going to come out. This one is not going to come out for another week, so I'm going to schedule it. Now, if you just wanted to publish it right now, you would just set this to public and hit publish. But it's Monday, and this is my Techy Tuesday recording for next week, the one that we just uploaded, so I need to schedule it. So I'm going to click on that little drop-down arrow. I'm going to come here, and I'm going to pick March 18th. 12 a.m. is fine. I am not going to be up at 12 a.m. watching it for a premiere, so I'm not going to say set as premiere. You can see that it's private before you publish it. And down here, this little button has now turned from publish to schedule. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule my video. And that's it. Now, if you want to share the video link, you have it here. You can't do much for sharing or with the video link until it's set to be public, until it goes public. But there you have it. I can hit close there. And now I can see that I have this scheduled in my list of videos. And I'm all set. So I am going to try to show you how to do it on my phone as well. So let's take a look at that. I'm going to go to YouTube. And when I get to my YouTube screen, you can see right down here at the very bottom, I have a little plus sign. Click on the plus sign. It brings up all my videos. Now I can choose up here whether I want to use my video or my camera or my movies. I can also, if you see down here, I can choose a video, a short, I can create a short, I can go live, or I can create a post. I'm going to go ahead and upload a video. So we'll just pick one. Let's just pick that one. And we're just going to hit next. Here's where I can add my details to it. I can create a title. I'm not going to because I'm not actually going to upload this video. But once I've created my title, I'll just call it test. And then you can see I've got room for, I can add a description. I can set my visibility. I have a few other things. I can add it to playlists. I can tag products. I can do all kinds of stuff, turn my comments on and off. And once I've done all those, all I need to do is hit upload. Now it's going to automatically set a thumbnail for me, but I can also click this little pen button and it should let me go and select something for a cover or for a thumbnail. Again, this is on my phone, right? So this is just a picture I have on my phone. I'm not going to upload this. Wouldn't make any sense to have a picture of somebody's sweater there. But anyway, that's it. That's it on your phone. You would just hit upload and it will upload to your channel and you'll be all set to go. Now, my phone is an Android. I'm not sure how you do it with an Apple phone. Maybe somebody who has an Apple phone can show that, but that's how you do it with an Android phone. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. I hope that this video has helped if you've had questions about how to upload your videos. I know this came up in our Survival Seeds live stream on Sunday, March the 9th, and some people were asking about how to upload videos, and I offered to do this Techy Tuesday video to help them up. So I hope that it helped. I hope it helps someone to be able to throw up a video and put that on there. Now, I will have more Techy Tuesdays coming. If you do have questions or you have a topic you would like me to cover, make sure to leave a comment. Leave a comment anyway, just to say hello, because I love to hear from you. And that's going to be it. I'm going to say bye for now. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and all that jazz. Take good care of yourself. I will see you soon. Bye now.